Stronger legs in just 10 days. For seniors, welcome to Health Living UK, your go-to place for pain relief tips, healthy food ideas, and overall well-being. Are your legs feeling weaker than they used to? Struggling with stairs, standing up, or just staying active? In just 10 days, you can regain strength, boost mobility, and feel more confident on your feet, all with simple, safe exercises you can do at home. Stay with me and let's get started. Welcome to today's video, where we're diving into an incredible 10-day plan designed specifically to strengthen your legs and improve mobility, all in a safe and effective way. If you've been feeling that your legs aren't as strong as they used to be, or maybe you've been experiencing difficulty walking, standing up, or even climbing stairs, then this video is for you. We're going to walk through a series of simple yet highly effective exercises that will target key muscles in your legs, help you regain strength, and boost your overall confidence in movement. Leg strength is one of the most important aspects of maintaining independence as we age. Without strong legs, everyday activities like standing up from a chair, getting out of bed, or simply going for a walk can become increasingly difficult. Weak legs can also increase the risk of falls, which is a major concern for many seniors. But the good news is that it's never too late to improve leg strength, and with just a few minutes a day, you can see remarkable results in just 10 days. Before we get into the actual exercises, let's quickly talk about why your legs may feel weaker over time. One of the primary reasons is muscle loss, which is a natural part of aging. After the age of 30, we start losing muscle mass gradually, and by the time we reach our senior years, this loss can be significant if we don't actively work to maintain and strengthen our muscles. Another reason is a sedentary lifestyle. If we don't move enough, our muscles become weaker from lack of use. Other factors like arthritis, poor circulation, or even certain medications can also contribute to weaker legs. But no matter the cause, the solution remains the same: movement and targeted exercises. Now let's get into the action. Over the next 10 days, you'll follow a structured plan that involves simple yet powerful exercises to wake up those muscles, improve blood circulation, and build strength in a way that feels manageable and rewarding. The best part? You don't need any fancy equipment, just a sturdy chair and a little space to move. We'll start with seated exercises that are perfect for those who may have difficulty standing for long periods, and gradually move on to standing exercises to further challenge and strengthen your legs. Day 1 starts with seated leg lifts. Sit tall in a sturdy chair with your feet flat on the floor. Slowly lift one leg straight out, hold for a few seconds, and then lower it back down. Repeat this movement 10 times on each leg. This simple exercise activates the quadriceps, the muscles in the front of your thigh, which are essential for standing and walking. After that, we move on to toe taps. While seated, simply lift your toes while keeping your heels on the floor, then lower them back down. This works the muscles in your lower legs and helps improve ankle mobility, which is crucial for balance. On day 2, we build on what we started by introducing heel raises. Stand behind a chair for support, rise up onto your toes, hold for a second, and slowly lower back down. Do this 10 times. This movement strengthens the calves and helps improve circulation in your legs. We also add seated knee extensions. While seated, extend one leg out and hold for a moment before bringing it back down. This exercise is excellent for improving knee stability and overall leg endurance. By day 3, you might already feel a difference. Today, we introduce chair squats. Sit down slowly into a chair and then stand back up without using your hands if possible. If this is too challenging, use your hands for support and gradually try to rely on them less. Squats are one of the best exercises for building leg strength because they mimic real-life movements like standing up and sitting down. Additionally, we add side leg raises. Stand behind a chair, lift one leg out to the side, lower it back down, and repeat on the other leg. This targets the outer thighs and improves balance. On day 4, we continue to increase the intensity by incorporating step-ups. If you have a sturdy step or a low platform, step one foot up, then bring the other foot up to meet it, then step back down. This mimics climbing stairs and strengthens the entire lower body. For those who find stepping up too challenging, simply marching in place while standing can provide similar benefits. Today, we also introduce seated marches. Sit in a chair and lift one knee up as high as you can, then lower it and repeat with the other leg. This movement engages the hip flexors and improves coordination. By day 5, you'll likely feel more confident in your movements. Today, we continue with the previous exercises while adding standing hamstring curls. Holding onto a chair, bend one knee to bring your heel toward your backside, then lower it back down. This targets the hamstrings, which are the muscles in the back of your thighs, essential for walking and stability. We also focus on ankle mobility by doing simple ankle circles. Lift one foot slightly off the ground and rotate your ankle in circles to improve joint flexibility. Day 6 is about reinforcing the progress we've made so far, while ensuring we're also taking care of our joints. In addition to our regular routine, we introduce a gentle stretching session. Stretching helps maintain flexibility, reduces stiffness, and prevents injury. One great stretch is the seated hamstring stretch, sat at the edge of a chair. Extend one leg straight and gently reach toward your toes. Hold for a few seconds and switch sides. Another effective stretch is the calf stretch, where you place your hands against a wall and step one foot back, pressing your heel into the floor to stretch the back of your leg. By day 7, your leg should feel stronger, and you may notice improved endurance. Today, we add a balance challenge. Holding onto a chair, try standing on one leg for a few seconds before switching to the other. This is a great way to train your body to stay steady and prevent falls. We also revisit all the exercises from previous days and slightly increase repetitions if possible. Day 8 is about refinement. We focus on ensuring proper form to maximize the benefits of each exercise. Take your time with each movement, engage your muscles fully, and maintain good posture. By now, these exercises may feel easier, and that's a sign of progress. On day 9, we emphasize endurance. Try holding your leg lifts and squats for a few extra seconds. If you feel comfortable, add a few more reps to each exercise. Small improvements like these make a huge difference over time. Remember to listen to your body and only push as far as you feel comfortable. Finally, on day 10, we celebrate progress. Take a moment to reflect on how much stronger your legs feel. Maybe walking feels easier, standing up requires less effort, or your balance has improved. Whatever changes you've noticed, they're proof that consistent effort pays off. Today, go through all the exercises one last time. Give yourself a big high five and make a commitment to continue incorporating these movements into your daily routine. Leg strength is vital for independence, mobility, and overall well-being. By following this 10-day plan, you've taken an important step toward a healthier, more active lifestyle. Keep up the great work, stay consistent, and remember that even small efforts can lead to big changes. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more tips on staying active and strong. Until next time, keep moving and take care. Thanks for watching Health Living UK. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more health and wellness tips.